on and coming up on an accident and I96 eastbound. We get some thunder and lightning. Earlier when I was driving, an organ transplant team drove by. Their sirens on. And the only reason I know that, it said organ transplant team on the side of the vehicle. So, I wonder if they're coming up here to this accident to harvest some organs. That'd be a damn shame. Okay, now people are getting over. Except this white car. Oh, and this guy's sneaking through. Makes me want to pull Big Red out. Oh, fuck off. Oh, there's the wrecker. Ooh, motorcycle. Motorcycle accident. That can't be good. What if he's wearing a helmet? Who knew? Motorcycle accident. We recently, Michigan legislated that you don't have to wear a helmet when driving your motorcycle now. Wonder how that's. Well, from what I heard, it isn't working out very well. So, motorcycle accident on I-96. See you later. Bye.